This video demonstrates the computation of factorial value of a given number, using a C program. In mathematics, the factorial value of a given positive integer n is the product of all positive integers less than or equal to n. For example, factorial of 5 is the product of all positive integers less than or equal to 5. That is, 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5. Factorial values are extensively used in permutation and combination. Let us write a program in C language to compute the factorial using an user-defined function. Create a C file. Touch, factorial.c. Hash include, stdio.h. Int main. Return 0. Let us create a variable to store the input value. Int, n equal to 10. Printf, the factorial of %d, is %d. N, fact of n. Here, fact is a user-defined function to calculate the factorial value, and it takes one argument as input. Now let us write the factorial function to compute the result. Int, fact of, int n. Here, int is the return type of the function, that is, this function returns a value of type integer upon execution. This int n is the function argument and the scope of this variable is limited to this function, that is, the variable n is accessible only within the function. Note that, the variable n defined in main function, and the variable defined in factorial function are different. They both have different memory address and scope. Int, f equal to 1. For, I equal to 1. I less than or equal to n. I plus plus. This for loop executes for values ranging from 1 to n. F equal to, f into I. Return f. GCC, factorial.c. Seems that, variable I is undeclared. Int I. GCC factorial.c. /a.out. The factorial of 10 is 3628800. The for loop is the core that computes the factorial of the given value. The flow of execution of for loop is shown in this table. When n is equal to 10, the for loop ranges from 1 to 10. When the I value becomes 11, the looping condition fails, and the f value is returned. Git add, factorial.c. Git commit, -m, the commit message. Git push, -u, origin, master. To summarize, a C program to compute the factorial of a given number using a function is written and executed. This program uses call by value method, which actually copies the value to function parameter. The scope of variable n, defined in main function is limited to main function, and the scope of function parameter n is limited only to the function definition. When the function is called, the n value is copied to function parameter n.